So my question for you is, yesterday in your, I believe it was you who said it. So we are now entering a new era where Gen Z will be stepping into adult roles. You said they will be stepping into the workforce. So that includes working, voting, and taking on. So that includes working, of course, voting and taking more active roles of the community. So with the 2025 elections fast approaching, what significant role does journalism play in ensuring a meaningful alliance in the Philippines?
Actually, you and I have noticed that in in the nation as a whole, we cannot really purely rely on the social media news. There are many items in the social media that you could hardly believe. I mean, that is given. It's the challenge actually that you're facing, we are facing is how better we mix item in the social media. Real and fake, So the real power of the media now, right now, and we are facing so many problems. The right police should have a critical thinking. You need critical thinking to determine, to judge, and to assess whether what we read, what we see in the social media is the real thing. It could be distorted. So the media has a very big role in either delivering. Sometimes we inject our own interpretation of the event.